Okay, palakpakan po natin ulit.
Bebe, dito ka sa unahan para
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find the key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth,
Palakpakan naman po natin.
I just wanna be part of your symphony. Will hold me tight and not let go. Symphony. Like a love song on the radio. Will hold me tight and not let go.
Palakpakan naman natin.